we are given AB equals 1 and we are to find the value of this expression here. Now, this simply implies that 1 equals AB as well. Therefore, in this expression, whenever you see 1, you're going to substitute AB. As such, the expression becomes AB divided by A squared plus AB plus AB divided by B squared plus AB. Now here in the denominator, the first one here, A is common and we are going to factor out A. Therefore, the expression becomes AB divided by A into A plus B plus here we have AB divided by here B is common. We are going to factor out B and we have B into B plus A. Then here A will cancel out A and we have B divided by A plus B plus here B will cancel out B and we have A divided by B plus A. Then here again A plus B is the same thing as B plus A. Therefore, in the denominator we have the same value. Then as such, we are going to add up the numerator and the expression becomes B plus A divided by B plus A. As such, B plus A will cancel out B plus A 1. Therefore, the value to this expression equals 1. And this is the answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.